Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. I guess you are able to understand and do the activities that we are sending you. Last time we did addition with regrouping of tens, and today we are going to understand that topic further. So let's start with the topic. So this is activity 13 that we are going to do today. I request the parents to please go through these instructions which are related to the activity that we are going to do today. These are the answer of the previous activity that you did, that is of activity 12. So check your answers from here. So our today's topic is adding three one-digit numbers with regrouping. So we are going to see that if we have three numbers of single digit and their answer is more than 9. So what we are going to do in that case? So if you remember in activity 11 we did 10 or more, take the extra next door. So do you remember that concept? That when we add the ones place first and if we get the number more than 9, so what do we do in that case? We write the right side number under ones and the left side number goes to the tens place. Like if we add 8 plus 2, it becomes 10. So we write 0 ones and 1 10. So let's see the example which is given here. We will read the example. I want you all to pay attention. Anna wanted to buy ice creams for her birthday party. She has chosen 5 red ice creams, 7 purple ice creams, and 9 yellow ice creams to buy. How many ice creams she has chosen in all? Now she chose 5 red ice cream, 7 purple ice cream, and 9 yellow ice cream. So we have drawn 5 red ice cream here, 7 purple ice creams here, and 9 yellow ice creams here. So what we are going to do first? So we have already done for you here like 10 and 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20 and only one ice cream is left to add. So 20 plus 1 is 21. So she will together buy 21 ice cream. Okay, so let's place these numbers in ones and tens column and then add it. Okay, so you can see here we have written the numbers under ones column. Now we have written she bought 5 red ice creams, 7 purple ice creams, and 9 yellow ice creams. So we have noted down the number under ones column. Now let's add the number and see how do we get the answer. We will do 5 plus 7, which is 12. So together, if we add red ice creams and purple ice creams, we will get total 12 ice creams. Now we have more 9 ice creams. So we will add 9 to this 12, which will become 21. So she is going to buy 21 ice creams in all. But as I have told you last time that 21 is a two-digit number and we cannot write it under ones place. So what are we going to do? Yes, you remember it. We are going to write the right side number under ones place and the left side number is carried over to the tens place. So which number we are going to get under ones place? Yes, we are going to get 1 under ones place and 2 will be carried to the tens place here. Now, after adding the ones place, we will add the tens place. Now we don't have any number below 2. So in that case, we will write the number as it is because we don't have any number to add. So the answer will be 21. So how many ice creams she is going to buy in all? Yes, she is going to buy a total 21 ice creams for her birthday party. Let's see one more example to make your concept clear. Now let's see this. We have 3, 5 and 4. Again, all the three numbers are single digit here. So what do? We write it under ones place. Now we are going to add the first two numbers. And whatever answer we get, we are going to add 4 to it. Okay. So let's do 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, quick, 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 it's 8. Very good. So 8 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got the answer 12. And 12 is a double digit answer. So again, we are going to write 2 under 1's place and 1 will be carried forward to the 10's place. So it will become 2 ones. Now let's add the 10's place. Now we have only 1 under 10's place and no other number is there to add. So we are going to write 1 as it is. The answer will become 12. Okay, now one thing about addition is that you can add the numbers in any order. You can add from starting from the top or you can start from the bottom like we did here 3 plus 5 which was 8 and then we added 4 to 8 which becomes 12. Let's do opposite in this case now. We will add 4 plus 5 now. What is 4 plus 5? Yes, it's 9. So 9 plus 3 will be 12. So we just want to tell you that when you are doing addition, you can add from top to bottom or from bottom to top. You will get the same answer in both the case. You just have to be attentive while adding. So if you have understood this, we have this activity for you all. And it's very interesting. Let's read the instructions before I explain you the activity. You have to roll 3 dice or else you can roll 1 dice 3 times and note down the numbers in the following green circles, add them up, write the sum in the blue circles. So the activity says that if you have 3 dice, so you are going to roll them together at once. And whichever number you get on each dice, you are going to note down. But suppose if you don't have 3 dice at home and you only have 1 dice, so it's fine. You are going to roll that dice 3 times. One time you are going to roll the dice, note down whichever number you get. Suppose you get 4, so you are going to note down 4 in the first circle. Then again you are going to roll down the dice. Suppose you get 5 this time. So you are going to write the number in the second circle and again you are going to roll the dice and whichever number you are going to get, you are going to note down in the last circle and then add the numbers and whatever answer you get, you are going to write in the blue circle. So you have to repeat this game thrice, that is 3 times. So note down the numbers carefully and also try to add them without any errors. So now I have this last activity for you all. This is just a revision of the concept that I have just now explained you. So you are going to add the numbers and like I have told you, you can add the numbers at one's place from top to bottom or bottom to top. It's just that you have to add it correctly. You will get the same answer. So let's see this example first. Let's do it from bottom to top this time. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 8 is 17. So where is 7 going to come? Under 1's place and 1 we are going to carry to 10's place. So the answer will become 17. Very good. So do these sums in your notebook. Thank you for paying attention and for learning and understanding the concepts with me. So children, be safe, enjoy your holidays, spend a lot of time doing your hobbies, helping your parents at home, but please find little time to revise the activities that we have done so far. And if you have any doubts, you can rewatch the videos that we have sent you. So take care. We will meet very soon. Bye.